joining us for AHJ Regional Library's grand finale to Summer Reading 2021, Tales and Tales Storytime. We hope you've enjoyed all our virtual programs this summer and will watch them again and again. If you received a reading log or reading bingo card from your local library, be sure to turn it in there by August 7th to receive a reward and an entry into the AHJ drawing for a Walmart gift certificate. Today, AHJ Regional Library presents the play Elephant Sneeze, adapted by Joanne Hinman. The cast of characters include Miss Joy as Daisy the dog, Miss Marcia as Ellie the elephant, and Miss Chrissy as Jangles the Clown, with closing by Miss Darlene and starting by Miss Bess. Technical support was also provided by Miss Lisa. We want to give a special thanks to all staff members who made this year's story times possible. Now, on to today's story.
Let's get started.
Oh, hi everybody! I'm so happy for my friend Ellie. She's always dreamed of being a circus elephant, and now her dream might come true. Today she has an interview with the head clown from the circus. And if the head clown likes her, then Ellie will be part of the circus. Ellie promised me that she'd stop by to see me on her way to the interview. Oh, I hope she hurries. I don't want her to be late for her interview. Oh, I hope that's Ellie. Come in.
Oh, Daisy, I'm so scared about this interview. I've been worried about it all day. What if the head clown doesn't... Achoo! What if he doesn't like me?
Oh, just be yourself, Ellie. And I know he'll like you. Or she'll like you. Do you know if it's a him or her yet?
I'm not sure. I don't know if they'll like me or not. Achoo! Why do I keep sneezing?
Maybe it's your nerves. I've heard about things like this happening. When someone's really nervous, they just can't help sneezing. All you have to do is relax. And don't you think you should be going? It's time for your interview.
Yeah, I'll see you later. I just hope I don't mess it up. I'll try to relax. Achoo!
Good luck, Ellie. Just be yourself. And remember, relax. Relax. Wow. She almost blew me away. Oh, I sure hope everything works out for Ellie.
Where is that elephant? She was supposed to be here 30 seconds ago. I'm a very busy clown and I hate to be kept waiting. Oh, it's about time and that had better be that elephant. Come in.
I'm sorry I'm late. I had a hard time finding your... Achoo! Finding your office.
Well, you're certainly here now. It's nice to meet you. My name is Jangles.
My name's Ellie.
Now, turn around so I can get a better look at you. Yes, I think you'll work out perfectly. You'll be a great circus elephant. When can you start work?
You really want me to be a circus elephant? Achoo! I'm so excited. Thank you.
Well, I need to ask you a question first.
Okay.
Why do you keep sneezing? I mean, do you have a cold? Is it an allergy?
No, my friend Daisy the dog says it's just my nerves. Achoo!
Well, as soon as you're through with those nerves, you come back and see me. Then we'll start training you for your new job. People don't want to see an elephant sneeze at the audience.
Oh, no, don't worry. I'll stop sneezing right away. Thank you. Thank you very much, Jangles. Thank you. Goodbye.
I can't wait for Ellie to start. She'll be perfect. I just hope she can get rid of those sneezes. I can't worry about it now. Oh, I have so much work to do.
bad.
Could have been bad? What do you mean?
Well, head clown Jangles thought I was perfect for the job of circus elephant, but I couldn't stop sneezing. And unless I can stop sneezing, I don't get the job. Daisy, what am I going to do?
All we have to do is think of a plan to make you stop sneezing.
But how are we going to do that?
Last night, I was reading a library book where one of the characters wanted to stop hiccuping. That's kind of the same as sneezing. She tried all sorts of cures. Maybe some of the things she tried might work for you. Let me get my book.
I'll try anything. What do we do first?
First, you try holding your breath. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hold your breath until I count to 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can breathe now.
Whew, I think it worked. I don't feel like sneezing. Yeah, right.
Don't give up yet. I have another cure to try. In the book, the character got a teaspoon of sugar and ate it. I think I have some sugar. Let me go get some.
Okay.
Here you go. 1 teaspoon.
Just 1 teaspoon of sugar.
And maybe you should try holding your breath before you swallow it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whew, I'm sure it worked that time. I don't feel like I have to achoo! Like I have to sneeze. Oh no.
Let's see, there was one other thing. Ooh, I know. Let's try to scare the sneezes away. Boom!
Daisy, you're so funny. Achoo! Didn't help.
I have another idea. I'll be right back.
Daisy, you're so funny. That sure scared you, but achoo! Didn't do anything to help my sneezes.
Don't worry. There is still one more thing we could try. All we need to do is put a paper bag on your head and you can hold your breath.
What?
Put a paper bag on your head and hold your breath. I'll get a paper bag right now. So you just put your bag over your head like this and hold your breath. Now put it over your head and when I say ready, hold your breath and I'll count to 10. And if anybody can help me, once she gets that on her head, she might not can hear. So we need to count good and loud. You ready? Ready, Ellie?
I guess so.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can breathe now, Ellie. How do you feel?
Not so bad. I think that might have achoo! It didn't work. I'll never be a circus elephant, Daisy. I have to stop sneezing.
That was the only things I knew to do. I can't think of anything else. I guess we'll just... I don't have any more answers. I guess we'll just have to...
What was that?
I sneezed.
You know what? I don't feel like sneezing anymore. Hey, it worked. My sneezes are gone.
Well, I'm glad your sneezes are gone, but now I think I have them.
This is great. Now I can go back to see Jangles the Clown and start my circus training, and it's all because of you, Daisy. And don't worry, I know how to get rid of those sneezes. I've got a great cure to work. The boys and girls, next time you go to the circus, look for me, Ellie the circus clown. Come on, Daisy, let's go find us a paper bag. Goodbye.
We hope you have enjoyed the summer reading finale play, Elephant Sneeze, and all the other programs presented during our summer reading program, Tales and Tales. The AHJ Library staff appreciates the time that you have taken to view our programs during these past 8 weeks. On behalf of all the AHJ libraries, Allendale, Estill, Hampton, Hardyville, Pratt, the Bookmobile, we say thank you. We hope you enjoy the rest of your summer and keep reading.